that it's very clear post-pandemic what can be achieved. And we have seen medicines produced for patients faster than ever before. We've seen timelines reduced from 10 years to 1 year. So I think faster speed and agility in the industry is probably the number one most important trend that we're seeing. And to deliver on those promises, and that the industry can continue to deliver on its promises and live up to the expectations that people have so that patients can get their medicines. Yeah, well, I think we can see that, using digital technology as a competitive advantage in order to be faster. So once you get a promising molecule at phase 3 clinical trials, that you can get that medicine to patients really quickly, and using technology in order to drive insights in order to improve that cycle. I think in terms of, being more sustainable and making sure you understand where your energy costs are and where you're wasting energy and how you could maybe recover and recycle some of that energy, technology can really give a lot of insight in that respect. I think also improving the capability of all of the staff who are involved in manufacturing. So right first time decision making and collaboration and working with partners is really important, and technology enables all of that. And then the industry is also under price pressure. So we want to make sure that we can deliver the medicines effectively as possible and is at the right price point. So that means leaner is really important. So we're talking about, better yield, better capacity, better batch release times, better cycle times, and also reduced material costs, energy costs. So when we talk to the customer, they say, look, we need to be faster, we need to continue to be better, and we need to be leaner. And technology really drives those major objectives.